Using Modi, we are going to make a cooking timer. Through this creation, you are going to learn how to write condition codes for a dial and a button, and how to write codes to play music through a speaker, and show letters on a display. Lastly, you will learn how to write a timer code using a display and a delay block. You need a network and a battery for the setup module, a speaker and a display module for the output module, and a button and a dial module for the input module. Prepare a basic block among the accessories. Before we start coding, let's take a look at the coding map of the creation to understand its structure. The display will show words toast or instant cup noodles when we turn the dial. Once you decide on one, press the button and the timer will start. The display will show the remaining time, and when the time is up, the speaker will ring the alarm, and the timer will go back to its initial status. So, shall we start coding? Run Modi Studio. Click on New Project and enter a project name. Connect Modi to the computer and check if all the modules connected to module map are recognized. For starters, let's write a code for the initial status of the cooking timer. Drag a speaker module to editor and enter 0 for volume, so that the speaker does not generate any sound. Next, let's write a code for the status when the dial of the cooking timer is turned. Add an if block in the same way as the speaker code. Select Dial Turn in the condition box and enter a rotation value you want. If you click Dial Module in the module map, you can see a monitoring graph of the module. Using this function, you can estimate which value should be entered. Since my cooking timer is for toast and instant cup noodles, I entered below 50. Place the display module under this condition code. Select Text in the condition box and enter a dish name. Connect an if code under the display code and select Click of the button in the condition box so that you can select a dish. Now the display should show the remaining time. So, place a loop code under the button code. Enter 1 to repeat this action only once. Connect a display module under the loop sentence and enter 2 minutes in display, which is the start time of the timer. Then, connect a delay code and set 60,000 milliseconds, meaning the text will maintain for 1 minute. Set in the same way. Let's have a display say 1 minute left in a minute and display text for 30 seconds. Again, 30-second text will display in 30 seconds. When time is up, we shall display the text Done. This code is a 2-minute timer code. Now, let's make the speakers ring. This action occurs when the button is pushed. Place a speaker module under the loop code and select a note you prefer in the basic tune. Then, drag a delay code and adjust the length of sound. This sound should go on and off repeatedly. So, add an off speaker code as well. So far, these were the cooking timer codes for toast. Finally, let's write a cooking timer code for Instant Cup noodles. As this code is structurally the same as the cooking timer code for toast, we will copy the toast code and just modify parts of it. Right-click the if code of the dial to copy toast. Then, you will see the copied code below. Here, we are going to modify the rotation value of the dial, dish name, and time. Change the condition of the dial's if code to when the dial is turned 50 or over. Then, modify the display text to Instant Cup Noodles. It takes 3 minutes for Instant Cup noodles to cook. Add the text 3 minutes left and 1 minute to the timer code of 2 minutes. We have finished writing all the codes. Click Upload to save the codes to Modi. You can make interesting creations using the timer code you have learned today. Show off your creativity to the world with Modi.